For this trending video, follow these steps. Open CapCut, click on the plus icon and add your video. Then adjust it according to your audio. Tap on the video and add the zagged rip animation. Now go to the last second of the video clip, freeze it, and add it as an overlay. Adjust the overlay to match the video, then remove its background. Tap on stroke and adjust it as needed. Next, go to Effects and add the shake effect. Set the speed to 5 and intensity to 7. Tap on Object and apply it to the entire video. Finally, export your video,